Sawyer? Is it tummy time? Tummy time and spit bubble time? You're very good at that, you know. It's like, who knew it was a new skill? Because you're just like an expert. You're an expert spit bubble blower. Even only 3 days in. You started that 3 days ago. Is it going to help you learn how to say your consonants? Are you going to learn how to say consonants by doing that? You're pretty good at vowels. You've been saying vowels for a long time. Good boy. That's a good push-up. That's a good push-up. Sorry, it's so noisy when you do that. You make a lot of noise. Oh, don't be a sad man. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be a sad man. Do you want to roll over? Look, you can roll over. You just want a little help to roll over? Just a little bit? Can you use your leg? Can you use your leg to go over? Good boy. You got some spit bubbles. Spit bubbles. You know what? You could roll back over if you wanted to. You're still kind of a little bit on an incline. Do you want to demonstrate how easily you flip over? Look. We take your leg, see? Take your leg and pull it over, and you just flip right on over, don't you? You just flip right on over like a big boy. Good boy, Sawyer. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Want to flip back over by yourself? You're pretty good at flipping from your tummy to your back. You can do that without any problem, usually. Almost. You almost got it. Almost. You just got to give a little more of a kick. A little more of a kick with that leg, and you'll go rolling over. Sawyer, give a little more of a kick with this leg right here. A little more of a kick with that leg. You need some help? There you go. Need some help? It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy.